I don't know if this is going to work or not. Found an old phone I was working on when I left a job a couple of years ago. Um, Fired it up. Seems to work. Might be a good vlog camera slash more disposable than like my phone. So if I'm using it while I'm working on the garage and just need to take pictures of stuff, maybe take some video like this, maybe it'll work for that rather than risk dropping my own phone into I don't know, tub of used motor oil or some such nonsense, because that kind of sounds like the thing I'd do. So I'm going to record this, try to get it to my computer, try to get it or some form of this uploaded to YouTube. We'll see what happens. Uh, Current state of affairs, I don't even know. Life is going well. Wife and I are doing well. Job's going very well. Still depressed, still tired, all the time. Working through it, trying to find the find the joy in hobbies again, find the joy in doing things, making progress around the house, cleaning up, doing the laundry, doing the day to day stuff. Um, Hobby I'm currently working on is I talked the wife into working with me on an early birthday present. I bought a transverse inline four engine from apparently from doing some research online and talking to a few people, a 1983 GS 1100G Suzuki motorcycle. Um, Got the engine home. Looks like it's in okay shape, decent shape. Not great, but it should. Guy was able to like plug it into a battery, and it spun, it moved. It's not locked up, so the rest should just be cleaning, servicing, and reassembling. On the other side of that, I also got the carb set for it, carburetors, for gently used Mikuni carbs. Replacement value would be 400 to 500 easily. Restoration, with a little bit of luck and a little bit of learning, $100, somewhere around there. I got to get a whole new kit of like gaskets and seals, and every bit of rubber on that whole unit is dry rotted and aged and nasty. And I'm trying to learn as I go rather than absorb all the information from the internet and then just tear stuff apart and then realize I don't really know how to put it back together or really know what the hell I'm doing, so it winds up in pieces or it winds up half done, and then I throw it aside like most of my hobbies. I'm actually trying to learn how to do this methodically with intent and purpose rather than just suck the life out of it, learn everything I can about it, and then toss it off to the wayside. That's where my head's at right now. So right now I've taken a bunch of pictures on my phone of the carbs. I'm going to upload them to my new cloud storage and then try to get this working in place of using my phone for that, because again, I'd rather not drop it in a tub of used motor oil or drop a carburetor in it, whatever. Again, these are things I'm kind of likely to do. So that's it for now. We'll see.